So children, in last class we discussed about the all about your desktop icons and the files and folders. Today we are going to discuss about the taskbar. I will show you on this computer. Just see. So see here. This horizontal line is called as your taskbar. Okay. So this is called as your taskbar. See, this is your, see here, if we are give here the arrow, it will come as a start. So this is called as your start menu. If I click on this, you will get the some programs. Whatever programs is present on your computer, you will get all the programs here. Which program you want, you can select from this. Okay. See, I want here now a paint. So it will come as a paint 3D. Next, if you want to settings, you can go for the settings. This is all the programs who are present here. So here there is also you can shut down the your computer also. See, there is one power button. If you click it, it will become as a sleep, shutdown, and restart. Okay, you can shut down from here. You have to go to the start button. This is about your start button. Next comes your search box. See here, you can see here there is a search button is there. We just type here to search. For example, I will type here as a paint. If I type here a paint, I get directly as a paint program. Okay. To get a program directly, you can click here. See, if I go for the start button, here there is a no paint option. See, here is only a paint 3D. I don't want the paint 3D. I want only paint. That time you have to do, go for the search button. Just type the program name it as a paint and just click on them. So if I click on them, your paint program will be open. Okay, this is about your search button. Next comes our notification area. This side area, it is called as your notification area. You can see here the internet connections, your speakers percentage, how much you want, okay, and which language you are using here. Here it is a time and here it is a date. This is about your notification area. This is present always on the right corner and start button is always on the left side. Okay, next comes our pick button. See, for example, I will open your paint. Okay, okay, now my paint program it is open. Okay, if I see here there is one line on the end of this right corner. This is called as your pick button. Okay, if I go to this pick button, if I click it, your desktop page will be open. Whatever programs you open, it will be automatically minimized. Okay, if I click again, your the programs will be open. This is about your pick button. Okay, this pick button, and here whatever program you are open, it will be shown here. Okay, this is on the middle of your taskbar. You can see here whatever programs you are open. See, I open here your Google Chrome, and here is our camera. It is there. Okay, here it is our Google Meet, Chrome, Internet. Okay, so whatever file I open here, it will be shown here. Okay, so this is about your taskbar. Next comes yours changing the desktop background. So this is about your desktop and whatever program this is their background that we have to change now. How? So there is some steps are there. What is the first step? First step, right click anywhere on the blank area on the desktop. A shortcut menu is displayed. See, here is the arrow. I will just right click. This menu will be open. Okay, this menu I will just goes to the, it will comes as a view, short by, refresh, paste shortcut will not come, graphic properties, graphic options, new, display setting and personalize. Okay, What we have to do for the second step, choose the personalized option. The personalization settings window is open. If I go for the personalized, this setting will be open. Okay. Here we have to open this now background. Your background page will be open. Here you have to go for the background. Okay. You have to just click on background option, the left panel of the window. It is a left panel. Here it is a background. You have to click on them. Choose the pictures as the option in the background drop list. See here, you can see the pictures. Whatever pictures you want, you can just select it. We can't select here because it is not updated. But in your computer, you can update this. Okay. So whatever pictures you want, you can just choose over there, or you can browse here. If you have browsed it, you will get the some more pictures. Whichever you like, just choose one, click it. Okay, it will be automatically your this background pictures will be changed. Okay, so your background picture will be automatically changed. This is about your changing the desktop background. Okay, next comes about your components of a window. What do you mean by components of a window? What are the present on your window? So see, you can open any program. For example, I will open here as a paint. Okay. So this program is also in the form of a rectangular shape. So every program in this operating system is always in the form of a rectangular. Okay. So see here, you can see here one page. They given now the names for these windows. What are the names they given? What are the parts? See, first will comes your title bar. This is your title bar. See, because you are not given the name as a for this window, so it is given as a untitled page. If you are given your name, for example, I will give the name as a Akash. So here it will come as a Akash, and here it will become as a Windows name, that is your paint. Means Akash, paint will be displayed here. Okay. So next, this option is called as your ribbon, and it is different from the different windows. Okay, for paint we are required the color, brushes, eraser and all. So they are displaying here the all the shapes, colors with brushes, eraser, pencil and all, because we are requiring for the paint. But for in the word the options will be different. There will become your font size, font will become there. Okay, so this is about your components of a window. I will just explain with this paint example only. Okay, this is about your title bar, this is about your ribbon, and this is called as your work area where you can do any work. So this is called as your work area. If I drag it, I will make it as a little big one. So you can see here the okay. So next comes your vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. So see, this is your vertical because it is a vertical in line, so it is vertical. So you can change the position of the page, and here it is a horizontal. Okay. So see, I can't see the full line. So that time you have to just change the position. See, I can't see here. So that time you can move the horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Okay, this is about your components of a window. First will come your title bar. Next comes your this ribbon, this work area, this vertical and horizontal bar. Next, here comes your minimize. Okay, if you have press this button, it will be minimized, and whatever it is there, it will goes to this taskbar. Okay, see, if I click on them or I will just move the cursor over there, it will come as a paint option will be showing them. Okay, if I click on them, it will be again, it will be open. When you don't want this page, you can just minimize it. This is about your minimize option. This is your restore down button. Restore down button means you have to make it as a small one. This is called as your restore. See, here it will come as a single box. When it is a single box, it will come as a maximize. Maximize means you have to make it as a full screen. Okay. Here it is a double means restore to the previous position. This is about your minimize, maximize, this restore down, and this is your close. If you want to save it, you can save, otherwise don't save it. It is your choice. Whatever you want to save it, make it as a save. If you don't want to save, make it as a don't save and the page will be exit and you can exit from the windows. This is about your all the programs. That is about your you learn now how to change the background. Now next you can learn the Windows components. That is your title bar, then ribbon, work area, minimize, maximize, restore down, then exit, and next comes about your scroll bar. That is your horizontal and vertical. Okay.